And it's really because if you don't have $5,000 to trade, well, you can get $5,000 for like 60 bucks on Proper. You get that effective size at least. Now, this isn't like a shill for Proper. I haven't used them yet. I'm just doing back tests. There is a huge downside to this. As you can see, if you're trading directly on Hyperliquid with your own capital, you're paying 0.015% fee. But if you go ahead and use a prop firm like Proper, you're paying 0.075% fee. That is tremendously bigger, and that can kill so many edges. I have so many back tests that it absolutely killed, but I do have some that actually did well here. So you can see there's multiple here down at the bottom. Now, if I run it directly, for example, I'd have a 2,649% return. But if I use Proper and I have to pay the 0.075, it drops down to 2,321% return. The next example is 1,974% return. If I run it on my own account, my own Hyperliquid account, and it drops down to 1,651% return. So if you have capital, I'd say more than $5,000, I think it's better to just run your bots on your own Hyperliquid account, opposed to using some prop firm where you're essentially paying to trade on simulated accounts. And that's the thing. All of these accounts are simulated. It's not even real order book. I mean, maybe it's real order books, but it's not. Your orders aren't actually going into the market, and that's the big difference between prop firms and just running your own bots. And there's really three numbers you have to look after if you are running bots for prop firms. They all kind of go like this. Essentially, they have a max drawdown. You can see this red line. It's -6%. You're done. This is from your starting balance. You're absolutely done. So when you're back testing, seeing if things work in the past, you have to make sure that you don't hit a -6% drawdown, or else your account's gone. If you paid 60 bucks for it, it's gone. You got to start over. But then you also... This is going to be crazy. I'm gonna give you all the code too. Okay, so this is gonna be sick, bro. Watch this. The bot that I built yesterday, the thesis was copying their side, waiting for a pullback. And that's what it is. That's what's happened here.